channel. Today's recipe is so special as I experimented this recipe last week and it turned out to be super delicious. This is a very different recipe which I tried from raw mango, that is raw mango parathas, and I recommend you all to try this one. So let's begin with the recipe. I served these parathas with my favorite zesty garlic chilies. The recipe link of these chilies you can find in the description box below. So if you like this recipe and want to see more of such videos, please click the subscribe button down below. So see you in another video. Bye.